Hi guys, so this is the All I See Is Magic palette from Colourpop. This is what the packaging looks like. First I'm taking this flesh colored shade and I'm setting my eyelid primer with it so that everything is in place and we have a smooth canvas to work with. Now I'm taking this brown shade on a big fluffy brush and I'm using this as my transition shade. I'm blending it along the crease and towards the outer corner of the eye. I'll deepen it a bit so that we have some dimension to the eye. Now repeating the same steps for the other eye. Now I'll take a clean fluffy brush and just smoothen the edges so that everything looks smooth and nice. Now I'm taking this deep burgundy shade and concentrating it on the outer V and bringing it halfway across the crease. Adding a darker color like this gives more dimension to the eye and makes it appear bigger. So that's what I'm doing here. Doing the same steps for the other eye. I'm using a detailing brush as it helps you get more precise with the darker shade. Again taking the transition shade and blending it along the crease so there are no harsh edges. Now I'm taking this pink shimmer shade. I'll take it on a flat synthetic brush, damp it a little and just press it on my eyelid. Now doing the same thing for the other eye, just pressing it on the lid with the brush, not blending it really. Now I'll take the same shade on my finger and just press it on the lid. This way the shimmers turn out to be really intense and vibrant. Doing the same for the other side. Now deepening the outer corners with that dark burgundy shade and just smudging the edge of the shimmer with the color. Again going in with the transition shade and just blending the edges on the crease. Now taking a flat paddle brush and going into this gold shimmer shade, dampening the brush a bit. Now pressing it on the innermost part of my eyelid and dragging it out towards that pink shimmer shade we used earlier, so that it creates a nice gradient from gold to pink. Doing the same for the other side. Now taking a pencil brush and the brown color we used earlier and just running it along my lower lash line. Now taking that dark shade and just putting it on the outer corners of the lower lash line. Just smudging it a bit so it looks more softer and doesn't look that harsh. Now taking that same gold shimmer and just putting it on my inner corners. This gives a really fresh look to the eyes. I'll quickly apply my eyeliner and mascara. And this is what the completed look is.